Thinking about installing a cooling unit but worried about costly mistakes? Whether you're a homeowner or an HVAC professional, a smooth installation can save you time, money, and headaches. In this video, I'll share hassle-free tips for installing your cooling unit efficiently and effectively. Plus, stick around till the end for expert HVAC study resources at hsestudy.in. Link in the bio. Let's get started. Cooling unit installation may seem straightforward, but small mistakes can lead to inefficiencies, higher energy bills, and frequent breakdowns. To help you get the best performance from your system, I'll be covering everything from selecting the right unit size to final testing after installation. One of the most critical factors in a successful installation is choosing the right size cooling unit. Many people think bigger is better, but that's not always the case. An oversized unit will cool the room too quickly without properly dehumidifying the air, leading to a damp, uncomfortable environment. On the other hand, an undersized unit will struggle to maintain the desired temperature, running constantly and increasing energy costs. To determine the right size, calculate the BTU British thermal unit requirement for your space. Factors such as room size, ceiling height, insulation quality, and local climate all play a role in this calculation. Placement of the unit is just as important as its size. If your AC is exposed to direct sunlight, it will work harder than necessary to cool your space, consuming more electricity and shortening its lifespan. The best location is a shaded area with proper ventilation to ensure optimal airflow. Additionally, avoid placing the outdoor unit near bushes, walls, or obstructions that could limit airflow. Good placement ensures maximum efficiency and longevity of your cooling system. Another crucial factor in cooling efficiency is insulation and sealing. Even with the most powerful AC unit, a poorly insulated space will never reach the desired temperature efficiently. Leaks around windows, doors, and ductwork allow cool air to escape, forcing your system to work overtime. Before installation, inspect your home for any gaps or cracks and use weather stripping or caulking to seal them. Consider adding insulation in your attic and walls if necessary, as this will significantly improve energy efficiency and reduce cooling costs. Now let's talk about electrical requirements. Before installing your new cooling unit, make sure your home's electrical system can support it. Overloaded circuits can lead to frequent power trips, equipment failure, or even fire hazards. Check the voltage and amperage requirements of your unit and ensure they match your home's power supply. If needed, consult an electrician to upgrade your wiring or circuit breaker. Another commonly overlooked aspect of installation is proper drainage. Your air conditioner removes moisture from the air, which needs to be drained away effectively. If the drainage system is not properly set up, water can accumulate, leading to mold growth, leaks, and potential damage to your walls and flooring. Ensure that the drain line has a slight downward slope and is free from blockages. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the drain line and checking for clogs, will prevent future problems. One of the best practices in cooling unit installation is testing before finalizing the setup. Once your unit is installed, don't immediately secure all panels and connections. Instead, run the system for at least 10 to 15 minutes to check for any issues. Listen for unusual noises, ensure that the air distribution is even across the room, and check the thermostat settings. If you notice any problems, make adjustments before sealing everything in place. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Another important aspect of installation is ensuring proper airflow. Many homeowners and even some technicians make the mistake of installing vents or ductwork in ways that obstruct airflow. This can lead to inefficient cooling and increased wear and tear on your unit. To maximize airflow, make sure that furniture, curtains, or other obstacles are not blocking vents. If you are installing a central cooling system, have a professional inspect your ductwork for leaks or blockages. In addition to a well-installed system, regular maintenance is key to keeping your cooling unit running efficiently. This includes cleaning or replacing air filters every 1 to 3 months, checking refrigerant levels and scheduling annual professional maintenance. A well-maintained unit not only lasts longer, but also saves you money on energy bills. Smart thermostat integration is another excellent way to improve efficiency. If your cooling unit is compatible, consider installing a programmable thermostat that allows you to set schedules and adjust temperatures remotely. This can help reduce energy consumption when you're not home and ensure that your space is always at a comfortable temperature when you need it. There you have it, expert cooling unit installation tips to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your air conditioner operates at peak performance, reducing energy costs and extending its lifespan. Want more HVAC study materials, courses, and expert tips? Head over to hsestudy.in. The link is in the bio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert HVAC content. See you in the next video.